Question number 1. Which parallel programming model is based on the concept of dividing a task into smaller subtasks that can be executed concurrently? Nicely done. Task parallelism is a solid answer. Question number 2. Which parallel computing architecture is based on the concept of multiple processors working together on a single task? Correct response. Parallel computing architecture is the most accurate answer. Question number 3. What computing models can process large data sets or solve complex problems faster than a sequential computing model? Great thinking. Parallel is the right choice. Question number 4. The concept of parallel computing is based on dividing a dash problem into dash ones. Excellent choice. Large and small is the right answer. Question number 5. What is the main method of communication between devices in distributed computing? Nice selection. Sending messages to each other is the correct and valid answer. Question number 6. What will happen to the speed-up effect as more parallel processors are added? Strong choice. It will decrease gradually is the right answer. Question number 7. What determines the final speed of the solution in parallel computing? Right choice. The longest parallel task is the best answer. Question number 8. Distributed computing allows to acquire and analyze data from big data. Sharp thinking. Intelligence is the right choice. Question number 9. What is a characteristic of SIMD architecture in parallel computing? Great job. Single instruction, multiple data is the accurate answer. Question number 10. Why can dual-core processors be considered better than single-core? You chose 2 instructions can be run in parallel. And it is correct. Question number 11. What does the speed of parallel computing solutions depend on? Right again. Number of cores involved is a valid answer. Question number 12. Which of the following is an example of a parallel algorithm? Clear logic. Your choice parallel sorting is sound and 100% true. Question number 13. In parallel computing, what are the processors free to do? Nice work. You chose execute the steps in any order or combination, and it is correct. Question number 14. What are some advantages of parallel computing solutions? Exactly. They save time and money makes sense, and it is right choice. Question number 15. What should be done first in parallel computing? Good thinking. Long processes is the right answer. Question number 16. What does MPI stand for in parallel computing? Well reasoned. Message passing interface is the correct choice. Question number 17. How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format? Good job. Your answer contact Narayan Changda works well here.